Getting started with Spresense SDK for Linux. In this video, you will learn how to download and install Spresense SDK. Step 1. Preparation. System requirements: 64-bit Linux Ubuntu version 16.04. Log into Ubuntu. Go to Terminal. Step 2. Go to developer.sony.com/Spresense. Select Development Guides. Under the Spresense SDK section, click on Getting Started Guide CLI. Step 3. Add user to dialout group. Step 4. Log out and into Ubuntu and go back to developer.sony.com/Spresense. Step 5. Install development tools. Step 6. Activate Install Tools. Step 7. Clone the Spresense SDK repository. Step 8. Connect the Spresense mainboard USB to your computer. Connect your PC to the Spresense mainboard USB connector and check that the power LED turns on. Step 9. Configure Spresense SDK. Navigate to the folder where you have stored the Clone the Spresense SDK code and enter the SDK folder. Set the initial SDK configuration. Download Spresense bootloader at Developer World's website. Go to the download URL in the warning description. Accept the end-user license agreement. Extract the loader archive on your PC. Flash loader into the board. Build the example image. Step 10. Flash the Nuttx SDK image. When the installation is finished, the Spresense board will reboot. The Hello example we configured is a simple program that shows Hello World on the console. You will need to use a serial terminal software. In this video, I'm using Screen. After starting the serial connection, you should see the Nutshell command prompt. Type Hello. Do you receive the message Hello World? Congratulations, the setup is now complete. Do you want to learn how to explore the features on the mainboard? Visit our website for more information. developer.sony.com/Spresense.